Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. My name is Michael Shu, and today we will be doing an unboxing. Lately we've been having a lot of unboxing, which has been a lot of fun. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Sentry and giving you my first impression. What is a Sentry? Let's go ahead and figure it out. So, you see the box and the packaging, it's just a standard box sealed in this kind of plastic bag thing. So we'll go ahead and open that and dive right in. Yeah. Alright, so this is the box of the Sentry. Nothing fancy, just a normal box. It says Sentry. Let's see what it says. Sentry. It's a portable dual band ADS-B in receiver with built-in GPS, an AHRS battery, and a CO monitor. Alright, carbon dioxide monitor, fancy. On the side, it says in the case, it's gonna have a Sentry, dual band ADS-B receiver, quick release suction cup mount, USB-C charging cable, it's USB-C, fancy, quick start guide, good, because I have no idea how to use this, so I'm glad they're gonna have a quick start guide in here. On the back, it has additional information, you can see that. Alright, what else does it say? Displays weather and traffic in ForeFlight Mobile, power, synthetic version in ForeFlight Mobile, 12 hours of battery life for extended flights. Alright, I've never flown 12 hours in a Cessna. I don't think I ever will, but it's 12 hours. Onboard memory for animated weather replay. Integrated Wi-Fi supports up to 5 devices. That's a lot of devices that you connect into. This is a device that's specifically made for ForeFlight. It has an ADS-B receiver in, has an AHRS, built-in AHRS. It has GPS and a lot of battery, 12 hours of battery, and a carbon dioxide monitor. Let's go ahead and open the box and see how big and small this footprint is. I have no idea yet, but it has an AHRS, which is something that I am looking forward to. Alright. Whoa, I like it already. It has a case, so that when you do fly, you have this case. It's a nice hard case, and when you put in your bag, it won't get squished. I really like that. It has nice zippers here. It's a nice hard case, the logo, and it says a Sentry here. And you see what they did here at the eye of the eagle. If this is an eagle, it's an airplane. I see what you did there, Sentry. Okay, let's go ahead and unzip it. It's nice that they have 2 zippers, so you can zip it all the way that way or unzip it that way. Makes it a little bit more convenient. Let's go ahead and unzip it. I'll give you guys the first look as always. Oh man, what do you guys see? Oh, this is the size of the Sentry. Can you see that? Look how tiny it is. Alright, so in the case, like it says, has a nice hard case, has this nice foam holding everything in place. You can see it. It comes with a cable. Let's talk about, ooh, this is a nice cable. USB-C to USB-A cable. This is a nice cable. It's not, you can feel the quality, it's not something that's gonna break really easily. I like this cable. Suction cup for when you're using the Sentry, it can be stuck onto the airplane so it receives the weather, the ADS-B, the AHRS, the GPS, all of that. So it's nice that they include this. And this is the Sentry itself. Look how tiny that is. Look at this footprint. What? So all in this tiny footprint is a GPS, has an AHRS, has CO monitor, 12 hours of battery. This is insane. So why would you ever use this, you're thinking? So maybe if you're in a flight club that has Cessna 172s from like 50 years old and doesn't have GPS, this is where it will come in handy. When might you use something like this Sentry? Maybe if you join a flight club, you don't know every single airplane, you don't know the equipment they're equipped with, and maybe you have to do a long cross-country flight and you find out, oh no, this plane doesn't have GPS. How am I gonna fly my flight? I have to use visual references. That's gonna be hard. To have this as a portable GPS and AHRS is amazing. It's gonna make your flying so much easier, the situational awareness, and it's just gonna make you feel a little bit more confident, you know? Flying in an old plane with no GPS is scary sometimes. So to have this is to just boost your confidence, make you feel a lot more comfortable and safe. Safety is number one. And to have something this small and this footprint of a size is amazing. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see if there's power. Okay, there is no power. I like they included this case. Will we use this? I don't know, maybe. It's taking up a lot of space to just put your Sentry and the suction cup. If I take it out, place everything inside here, does it still fit? Alright, looks like we won't be using this foam thing. But look at this, opens up. I really like the design of this. There's a nice zip pouch up here, if you can see. What else does it come with? It comes with a card that says AV link. It has, ooh, look at this. This is an attitude indicator. Attitude that shows your airspeed, your altitude, your altimeter setting. What is this? Warranty information. I do like warranty. By using this product, you agree to terms and conditions okay, I do. And here is a quick start guide. Let's see what are some of the things that we need to know. Number 1, power button, ventilation point, ooh, ambient light sensor, USB charging point, and RAM mount with quick release. I will have to hook this up to my ForeFlight and show you guys what it does. I have no idea what this tiny thing does just yet, but this is just a first impression and an unboxing, and so far I'm very impressed that they fit an AHRS in here, and ADS-B, and 12 hours battery, and a CO monitor. That's crazy. If you guys are wondering how much this costs, it's a little bit on the pricier end. It's gonna be $499, but for safety, it's worth it. Well, I don't know yet. This is just my first impression. I'll actually be using this and giving you a full-on review on one of my flights, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and like button and the notification bell button, so when I do have my full-on review, you'll be the first to know. If you guys are not following me on Instagram yet, what the heck are you doing? Go follow me at MichaelHSU95. If you have any questions or any products you want me to review or unbox, be sure to leave it down below. I'm just so impressed. Look how tiny this is. Alright, that's it for my unboxing. If you guys liked it, be sure to hit the like button. I said everything I needed to already. I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Bye! Sentry.